Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal has stated that the national capital has never been in a worse condition. Now, shooting a video in the region of the national capital from Burari, she has spoken on social media saying that roads are broken, sewers are overflowing, there are heaps of garbage everywhere, and the people are getting contaminated water in their homes. Colonies in Dwarka and slums in Bhalswa are getting dirty tap water. And on this, in fact, this latest expose by Swati Maliwal has been done just days before the assembly polls. Let's now listen into what she has to say.
दिल्ली में अलग अलग विधानसभा क्षेत्र में मैं जा रही हूँ, मुझे वहाँ से कंप्लेंट्स आ रही हैं और इस वक्त जो दिल्ली का हाल है, इतना बुरा हाल कभी नहीं हुआ। सड़कें टूटी पड़ी हैं, नालियाँ ओवरफ्लो कर रही हैं, जगह जगह कूड़े के ढेर पड़े हैं और घरों के अंदर सड़ा हुआ पानी आ रहा है। अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैं द्वारका गई थी, वहाँ घर के अंदर, कॉलोनी के घर के अंदर से कई महीनों से काला पानी नल के द्वारा आ रहा है। अभी मैं झुग्गी गई भलसुआ की और वहाँ पर सारी झुग्गियों में नलों के अंदर से पीला सड़ा हुआ पानी झागदार वो निकल कर आ रहा है। तो मैं जानना चाहती हूँ दिल्ली सरकार से कि क्या इन्होंने कोई नई स्कीम शुरू करी है कि घर घर ये बियर पहुंचाएंगे, कि बियर दिखने जैसा पानी ये अब घर के अंदर नलों में आ रहा है। वो पानी इतना जहरीला है कि पीना तो छोड़ दीजिए, अगर उसको कोई छू भी लेगा तो भी वो बीमार पड़ रहा है। मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि ये बार बार ढिंडोरा पीटती है दिल्ली सरकार कि हर जगह हमने दिल्ली में पानी मुफ्त कर दिया। काहे का मुफ्त पानी, जब लोगों को, घरों को दिन का 50 से 100 रुपया खर्च करना पड़ रहा है, तब जाकर वो बाहर से साफ पानी खरीद रहे हैं और वो पानी पे वो पीने।
My colleague Shubh Rana joins me for more. Shubh, now again the Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal has once again taken on the Delhi government. This time as she continues to expose the regions which are facing under a brunt of the basic facilities being missed. In the latest, she has posted a video also on her social media showing that the contaminated water is being provided at homes in Delhi's Burari area.
Yes, definitely, Simran, and this is not the first time when Swati Maliwal has been bringing out Aam Aadmi Party and Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal. Even it is important to note that when Aam Aadmi Party have released its star campaigner list, it includes the name of Arvind Kejriwal, Atishi, but Swati Maliwal was the name which has been left out in this campaigners list also. And following the Delhi elections, Atishi have, Swati Maliwal have been going on the ground where she have been showing all the visuals also in the areas where there is the roads are not being properly made. And also today she has said that Delhi has never been in this worse condition before. And she has been, she has been saying that roads are broken, sewers are overflowing, there are heaps of garbage everywhere and people are getting contaminated water in their homes. Challenging Arvind Kejriwal, she has said that I invite Arvind Kejriwal to come to the slums with me instead of going to the places where he has supporters. So definitely Swati Maliwal is trying its level best, to take the dig at Aam Aadmi Party, because her name was not in the, star campaigners list, and now she is trying to harm the image of Aam Aadmi Party, which says that, that they will get the vote of the people through their work. So this image of getting vote through their work is being hampered by the Swati Maliwal. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.